Hey, your choice here. Thank you again for joining me for a quick word. This is going to be quick. I was looking at something the other day where this man said, okay, thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me again for another session of Choice Spirit. I hop on here and want to just run my mouth. Hey, I found something interesting. You know, I'm always talking about get your mind back, get your mind back, get your mind back. And when you think you got it, think again. This is serious stuff, y'all. It's serious, you know, because this is why our reality is the way it is. And I'm not talking about all of you that are living it up, having a good time, enjoying, not even entertaining some of this madness. I'm not talking about you. You know, I actually could join some of you because if I wasn't talking about it, if I wasn't looking into it, if I was not searching for things and looking for things to talk about, no, I shouldn't say that I'm looking for things to talk about, but if I wasn't tuning in so that I could share with you, you know, stuff to kind of like say, hey, look, you know, when this is going on, focus on that. When that's going on, consider this. If that's going on, consider that. You know what I mean? But anyway, back on topic. So anyway, I saw something where the man was talking about how he allowed the algorithm of various social media things that he's on and platforms that he is on to suggest and recommend what he would watch next, what he would do next, and where he would go next. Check this. He intentionally allowed the algorithm suggest what he would do next, recommend where he would go next, suggest what he would watch next, suggest what he would think about next, where he would eat, and where he would vacation. He did this to experiment. Now, I don't have to tell you guys. I don't have to tell you. You know it wasn't one of us. I'm just saying, you know it wasn't one of us. We have to get on board. We have to learn how to study things too, you know? Not just every now and then, but some of us, you know, the way everyone studies us and research us and been studying us since the beginning, since they ran into us. We need to do the same. We might come up with some interesting things because there's a lot of things that they came up with about themselves that they will not let anybody know about. They're too ashamed. And well, a shame for those that even have a heart. Let me not say that. Forget. Anyway, back on topic. So he decided to go through this thing and let people and let this algorithm run his life for a while. And to his surprise, like if he would put into a restaurant, they have suggested restaurants. So he would take one of the suggestions. If it says he puts in vacation, whatever, they recommend a place for him to go. And so he would go there. If he put in for a certain video, they put in a certain video. When he opened up his phone or a computer, laptop, whatever, it showed video suggestions, and so he would select any one from whichever ones they suggested, they recommended for him. And so this is how he chose to live his life for a year. And he realized that he was no longer thinking for himself. In fact, his mind seemed to be the mind of something else, a mind that was run by algorithms. And so my quick word here is that we may not have studied this, but it's almost for sure, because we are the largest consumer of entertainment and various things like that. You give us a social media platform and we'll make it go from 0 to in no time. We are trained consumers. We were indoctrinated to be a consumer, and that's exactly what we do. We consume. It's getting better, and I'm not talking about all of us. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted, because I'm telling you, don't let anyone label you or lump you into the group of the masses. Okay? This is not the flock thing going on here. I'm just saying, peak the game. Okay? We have to pay attention. In order for us to make changes, and in order for us to make changes, we have to at least see what the hell we're trying to change here. So I just brought up the thing that this man has done this, but the truth is, the seeming truth is, we are consumers, and many of us do that all day, every day. We sit scrolling through our phones or on our laptop or whatever we're doing, choosing from the list of things that they gave us to choose from. We're not doing a research paper. We're not studying anything. We're not trying to see how this affects us, our lives, and just what it means to become part of that, where that now is running your mind. That then is giving you options. The Most High is the only one that gives us options and then says, okay, you have free will. But your free will is in the mind of the all. That's the only. At least if you are living your life on recommendations, if you are living your life on what an algorithm gives you for choice, that's like blue or red, that's like Democrats, Republic, or whatever. If you are living your life according to those type of choices, and you're not truly taking control of your own devices. Remember, I told you, if you are not controlling your own thoughts and emotions, those that know how to do it will take hold of yours all day, every day. Make a lot of money off it too. We become a permanent servant. In fact, that's how some groups believe, that the masses is the permanent servant. So, but this is not a person that's doing this, or even a person without any feelings or no heart, whatever. This is artificial intelligence.